Hi, this is Ms. Stratus. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of some of the items you need to know for the first test. So the first test is going to cover the first couple of assignments that you did in Excel, and it focuses on different formatting techniques. When I say formatting, I just mean how you change the way things look. So it's going to include all the assignments up through Acme Productions, not Formula in Excel. That'll be in the second test. So looking at the list, make sure you know how to bold. So you just click on something and you hit the B for bolding, or you can use the pull-out arrow and do it that way. You also want to make sure you know how to merge and center. So as a reminder, to merge and center, you can only merge one row at a time. So I'm just selecting my range, and then I hit the merge and center button, and I can do the same thing for the second row. The next thing is how to widen the column. There are different ways to widen the column. I could click in between the letters and drag out to the particular number that's requested. Or the other thing that I can do is select multiple columns at the same time, right click and go to column width and actually enter in a number, or just do one column at a time. So right clicking or actually dragging. You can also do the same thing with rows, right clicking or dragging as well to change the row height. Also, you want to be able to center. So this here is merge and center, but if I want to center these, I have to use these buttons here. That's called the center alignment. Look what happens when I hit the merge and center. I get an error message, and if I don't read it and just click OK, the word January shows up and everything else disappears, and all the boxes were merged into one. So there's a difference between merging and centering and plain centering. So plain centering will just put things in the middle of the cell itself. So make sure you know the difference there. Apply a thick bottom border. So you will be asked to select a range and then add a thick bottom border, which you can simply find by clicking on the borders button, and you'll see the one that says thick bottom border. You can change your border by going to more borders. And when you do that, you can actually select a thicker one. You can apply color to it. And then if I just click OK, nothing happens. Because here's what you need to do. So I'm going to go back. Again, I'm going to go to the borders button, go back to more borders, pick the thick one. I'm going to change the color to red. And what I need to do is apply my change here in this area. So I just click the bottom button, but what I like to do is click here. This represents a cell. I'm saying that I want the border to be at the bottom of the cell. I click the OK, and there we have a thick bottom border. Make sure you know how to insert a row. So you can right click on the number and go to insert. That'll insert a row. Or you can go up to insert here and go to insert a row. Or you can, instead of right clicking on the number, you can right click on a cell, and then you can go to insert, but make sure you read and you select the insert row. So whichever way you choose, it doesn't matter as long as you do it. And last but not least is all the number formatting. So I'm going to ask you to apply the currency style. So keep in mind that the currency style is the $sign. And sometimes when you do apply it, you'll notice that it'll turn into hashtags. I don't have the hashtags example. The reason why it turns into hashtags, it just means that the numbers don't fit. Here's the hashtag. So one thing that you can do is widen the column to make it fit, or just follow through. The follow through is to decrease decimal. And as soon as I decrease the decimal, the numbers fit. Apply the comma style, look for the button that looks like a comma, and again, decrease decimal. Remember, you have to hit it twice. So this is your basic items that you need to know. I'm not saying that this is what the test is going to look like. I was just applying some different formatting techniques. So review these. If you're stuck, go back and review the assignments that you did, and I'm expecting you all to do very well on this first test. Good luck. Bye.